Such a beautiful tree in the parks here. This is so big. Like the span. Look at how this tree looks. Wow, so beautiful. So we're still taking a walk in Badaguan. It's a really big place. Nice place for walks and just sitting down and talking to your friends. Beautiful place. So beautiful. Look at this. So cool. Even have your very normal like mailboxes and stuff. These are the kinds of houses here. And people actually live in here. You can see like security cameras and everything is still like working on. And this is a very famous house here too. It's called the Princess something house. Nice choice of color. Like the light blue is really cool. Really nice. So many of these machines here that help to remove like leaves and clean up the roads and stuff. Yeah. Nice. Another structure here. The roads, you rarely see cars moving around in these roads. They told you the younger people come here to like take videos and stuff. Pretty cool, right? Wow, pretty nice. Nice villa in here. Wow, look at this. Most of these houses, people actually live in them. So good. So nice. A lot of birds. So many doves here, so if you're not careful, you get like pooped on or something. So as I was walking, we just got to this Princess Tower. This is another beautiful place in Badaguan. This one right here. Entering here is 20 RMB. 20 RMB is like maybe $2.50 or something. Very beautiful house. Really nice. We have more houses up there. What do you think about this place? Because I feel like it's really interesting. The kind of way, right? Pretty interesting. Let's just keep going and let me show you the place basically. This right here. Tickets for 3 scenic spots. So there's the butterfly building, the princess house, and the Spanish style pavilion. So together it's gonna be like 60 RMB. But I think if you buy like 3 of the tickets at once, maybe you only pay like 50 here. Yeah. This is pretty cool, man. Pretty chill. Like this is a really chill place. I think this video is a bit long, but what I want to show you guys is just what to expect. What to actually expect in Badaguan. Let's see this here. Good. So that's the Princess Tower they're talking about. Right there. Okay, some really nice statues inside the park and stuff. Right, you can basically walk on the roads and do whatever. Like there's no admittance, no one is allowed inside, but those are the houses in there. So right there, this guy is like drawing. You can basically sketch you and draw you like pretty quickly, you know, pretty cool. Pretty good. Look at these roads. It's just long, clean, and like quiet places for walking. Here we have the washer house and butterfly building. Wow. So those are the places. Another beautiful house here. Really nice architecture going all up. This place is really quiet compared to other neighborhoods around the city. This is so chill and like nice, and you know, no traffic, just people walking around and having fun and taking pictures and everything. This is so good. And of course, because it's a coastal city, we always end up at the coast or at the beach. Always. So this beach that we're at now is called the Qingdao #2 Bathing Beach. And this is its map. Wow, this is so good. This is so beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. And then, of course, we move down here, and yeah, we always end up at the beach. Always. Always, always, always. Look at this. Wow. Okay. All right. So I know this was a long video, long vlog. I was just showing you guys, if you ever come to Qingdao and you want to go and visit Badaguan, or the European kind of like architecture area, just know that it's not a single location. It's a whole neighborhood, very big place. You have to walk around for like maybe an hour or two or something. I just cut the video in so many parts so that I can just show you like the idea of what the place will look like. So guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.